Hi, my name is Brandon Monaco, Service Advisor here at Walters Mercedes-Benz of Riverside. I'm going to be going over some of the importance of servicing your vehicle here with us. We are an authorized Mercedes-Benz service center staffed with factory-trained technicians that know your vehicle inside and out, specialize in all things Mercedes-Benz. We offer various services such as Service A, Service B, spark plug replacement, transmission oil and filter change, engine air filter replacement, radiator coolant exchange, fuel filter replacement, and more. Our technicians also only use genuine OEM replacement parts during repairs, as well as the latest diagnostic tools to properly service your luxury vehicle. Mercedes-Benz vehicles perform dynamically, but require expert attention to do so. Unlike independent shops, here at Walters Mercedes-Benz of Riverside, we are a certified service center and can help keep your vehicle performing at its best, while also preventing issues down the road. The service center at Walters Mercedes-Benz of Riverside is outfitted with advanced equipment and experienced staff. We are here to help you service your vehicle throughout the ownership of your Mercedes-Benz. We make it convenient for you to schedule your service appointment. Give us a call or go online at waltersmercedes-benzofriverside.com. We hope to see you soon.